The new Sweepster Model VS is a full-featured pickup sweeper designed to utilize all of the features and functions of the new skid steers. It picks up going forward or backwards and mounts to the skid steer pickup arms and utilizes a unique chain retention system to allow the sweeper to dump free. Equipped with the optional vacuum system, the new VS sweeper minimizes the amount of visible dust while you're sweeping. The vacuum system creates a negative air pressure in the sweeping chamber, pulling the dusty air through a polymer-coated filter and exhausting air that's been filtered out the top of the sweeper. This minimizes the visible dust and maximizes the clean sweep of the unit. The VRS and VS sweepers are equipped with many unique functions to make sweeping better and maintenance easier. The sweepers themselves are equipped with a unique volumizing feature. The volumizing feature matches up close to the brush and increases the amount of material that can be put into the sweeping hopper. An easy adjustment handle loosens the volumizer and allows you to adjust it so it stays close to the brush as the brush wears. The volumizer is removable for sweeping in a rearward direction and can be used or not used up to the customer's requirements. The sweepers are powered by high-torque, high-pressure hydraulic motors, coupled directly to the core with a keyed tapered shaft into a hexagonal hub. The hexagonal hub drive allows quick brush change simply by pulling 4 pins, sliding the motor out of the core, and letting the core drop out of the sweeper for easy brush change. Simply push the motor back in and hook up your 4 pins and you're off and running again. Brush change is easily accomplished by using a unique 2-lever system, 1 lever on each side of the sweepers. Simply loosen the turn screw to loosen the adjustment system and utilize the easy handle to move the brush into the correct position to give you the correct sweeping pattern. There is an adjusting lever on each side of the sweeper. The vacuum system uses a high-velocity hydraulic motor spinning an efficient fan to create a negative air pressure inside the sweeping chamber. The fan pulls the material through a poly-coated filter and exhausting filtered air out through the top of the sweeper. This minimizes the amount of visible dust and maximizes the clean sweeping ability of the sweeper. The filter is housed in a low-profile filter housing sitting on top of the sweeper. The filter is polymer coated, allowing the sweeper to be used in wet conditions without damage to the filter. The normal sweeping action of dumping helps shake the dirt and dust out of the filter back into the sweeping chamber. It is also equipped with a 12-volt shaker to shake the filter to ensure clean and efficient operation of the filter. The 12-volt shaker is activated with a switch in the skid steer cab so the operator can shake the filter anytime it's necessary. From this angle you can also get an excellent view of the volumizing feature sitting close to the brush to prevent carryover as the material comes over the brush and into the sweeping hopper. The accordion-style filter maxes the amount of surface area filtering the air coming from the sweeping chamber. The filter is easily serviced by loosening the 2 levers to hold it, and then 4 metal clips hold the filter into the movable shaker. The filter can be easily removed and washed and serviced as needed. A caster wheel on the front of the sweeper allows the sweeper to move independently of the skid steer loader. This allows the brush to stay in contact with the surface of the ground, giving a cleaner and more efficient sweep. A custom-designed drape system surrounding the base of the sweeper effectively seals the sweeper to the pavement, allowing the vacuum to create negative pressure and pull dust-laden air through the filter and exhausting it out of the top of the sweeper, having been filtered. The sweeper can be equipped with a gutter broom on the left-hand side with mounting points, or on the right-hand side, or when required, dual gutter brooms can be installed. One of the key features of the VRS and the VS sweeper is its ability to give high dump to trucks and containers to the maximum height of the skid steer arms. The unique chain retention system retains the sweeper in position while the bucket dumps clear into the truck. For operations where you need to remove the material from the site, this is an excellent tool and really maximizes the versatility of the sweeper. This is a good shot of the volumizing feature that maximizes the amount of material that you can put into the hopper and also sits up tight to the brush so that there is no carryover. It's also a good view of the unique dual drape system that effectively seals the sweeper to the pavement to allow the vacuum to effectively pick dust and dirt through the filter and exhaust filtered air. After dumping, it's easy to set the sweeper back into sweeping position. Hopper dumps clear into whatever truck or container you want. Tilt the sweeper back. Run the loader arms down to the stops. Tilt the sweeper forward until the bucket lip touches, and then pick it up just a little bit, and you're in sweeping position and ready to sweep again.